Good evening, everyone. So let's continue our session. We were talking about basics of Python, right? So we'll try to finish this basics of Python and then we will learn about the hypothesis test concept. So last session, let me just revise what we have seen. Yeah. So last session we have seen how we can create a new file in Python. After that, how we can save that file, how we can download it, how we can upload and reopen the same file. Then we have seen how we can import the data set, right? So we can import it like first you upload the file and then import, or otherwise you give the location of that file and then you can import the same file. After that, we have talked about few methods and functions like head and tail function. Then we have talked about methods like D types, columns, axis, NDIM, right, shape, tell. Few functions like describe. Then we have talked about max function, mean, median, mode we can calculate, standard deviation we can calculate. So all these things we have studied in the last session. Okay. After that, today we are going to talk about if you want to get a particular column, right? How we can get that column. So there are two alternate ways. Either you can mention the syntax like this. So df is your data set name, which you have imported and stored in the df named variable. And rank is the column of your salaries data set. So this is one syntax. Another syntax you can use as df dot the column name which you want to display. Let's try both the methods. So as I have mentioned it over here for the salary column. So df is the data set in which we have stored our or imported our data. And we have the salary column in our data set. So that salary column, I have mentioned it over here. So you can see only the values from our salary column have been displayed over here, 0 to 77. And you can get the column name over here. Apart from that, you can also execute by passing that salary column in a just a moment, guys, just a